iCarsoft CR Max P high beam actuation test. Watch the lights. There we go. Bulbs and their feed are fine. Check the switch side. iCarsoft CR Max P mirror fold actuation. Watch the mirror. The motor answers on not the assembly. It's a switch. iCarsoft CR Max P turn signal active test. Left without touching the stalk, and right. Bulbs and circuit are good. It's the column switch. iCarsoft CR Max P washer pump active test. Pump or stalk. Watch this. Look at that, it works. Pump and feed are good. I'd check the switch side. iCarsoft CR Max P window regulator actuation. The window's dead. The motor might not be. One click and it moves. That leaves the door switch. iCarsoft CR Max P trunk latch actuation. No handle, no key. Press OK. There we are, all good. iCarsoft CR Max P sunroof actuation test. A sunroof motor is an expensive guess. Shade. Then roof. Both motors answer. iCarsoft CR Max P AutoVIN. Stop typing 17 characters by hand. Plug in, one tap. There we go. Make, model, year, engine. iCarsoft CR Max P Topology Map. Every module, every connection. Green is communicating. Red is not. One look tells you where to start. Rule it out. Don't guess it.